Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back through daily crypto news and analysis. Today we're going to be talking about some Ripple XRP news. We're also going to just address quickly what's happening in the market as the crypto market really moves. We're pretty much back to where we were, I think it was like 3 days ago, I want to say, back at $2.11 trillion for the global crypto market cap, up about 5.06%. We do see Bitcoin creeping above 49K, hitting a resistance point at 49.3K. So until we break that level, I'm not, expecting anything too crazy. But we do see Ethereum trying to peak back up to $3,300, up 5.4%. Things look pretty good overall. I mean, XRP is almost back to $1.20, and even Solana's making almost new highs, going to almost $100 right now. We also see Luna up significantly, so a lot of altcoins are gaining some traction. We even see ADA up almost 12%, so it is what it is. The market is moving very quickly now. So with that being said, I do want to talk to you guys about a few things. First and foremost, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about this image here. So we do see here, confused yet, all right? And we do see here, we don't think Ethereum is a security. Now, this is obviously talking about William Hinman's overall idea on Ethereum. I've already talked about this briefly, and I've discussed the idea that the fact that Ethereum is a security, or I should say was a security at one point in time when they did have their ICO for $14 million. And also the fact that they were illegally selling Ethereum back in 2017 and 2018. But that gets, overlooked all the time. But, XRP obviously is a security, right, guys? So, it is what it is. These higher up individuals that try to control these markets, it's absolutely ridiculous. We just here, when I said we, I wasn't speaking for the SEC. It was my personal opinion. You love to see it. And then we also see here, Hinman gave the market great guidance in a speech about Ethereum. So it is all a back and forth game here. It's honestly just a huge, stage at this point. And it's funny to me, honestly, because we are in such a weird point of time right now where a lot of things just kind of seem like we're in the Truman Show. For anybody who hasn't watched that movie, basically he's living in a TV show, but he doesn't know about it. It honestly feels like that when we are holding XRP. It's absolutely comical to me. But just like with how many things have been getting released, how much stuff has actually been coming out in regards to XRP news, it's just, you can really not make it up. We also see here, people with no patience will lose this game. Longer the consolidation, the bigger the move. Markets are a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. And I do think that in the coming months, we are not going to even think about these prices currently that we see. This even goes in regards to XRP's current prices. Like, we've been sitting around $1.20 for quite some time, just kind of consolidating. And I do eventually think that the next move on XRP will take us to $1.20 to even, or not $1.20, I mean $2, to even $2 and 20 cents plus. So I've been watching the charts very closely in regards to XRP. I do think that once we break $1.20, we range to go to $1.35. Now, obviously, it all depends on the price action from Bitcoin's side, but I do think that this year, I have zero doubt that XRP hits double digits. And I've talked to you guys about, a $15 to a $25 XRP. A lot of people think that it's not possible, this bull run, but a lot of people who are patient will be reaping the rewards. I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about this, actually going back to the whole SEC stuff in regards to XRP and even Ethereum. We do see here, were SEC employees permitted to trade XRP and Ethereum? Ripple wants to find out. We do see here, Ripple wants to determine whether SEC employees had traded XRP before the issuance of the formal investigation order. And I do think that this is great to see because it also will tell us if they were selling XRP to buy Ethereum or Bitcoin, which I don't doubt they were. But we also see here, our request is neither burdensome nor disproportionate, to the needs of the case. The information sought should be readily available and appears to have already been reviewed by the SEC's counsel in the course of our meet and confer process. And again, this goes back to the idea that they want this information. This is solid information too. Like, When we talk about the whole idea of the SEC wanting Slack messages, like that's just comical in my opinion, right? But when we actually talk about something like this is a breakthrough, pretty much information that they could pretty much grasp against the SEC. Because think about it, if they found out that, for example, Jay Clayton was holding XRP and he sold it to buy Ethereum before obviously joining One River, wouldn't that kind of tell you, hey, this is all manipulated, this is insider trading, whatever the case may be? Obviously, it would. So I do think that this is great to see. I think that this could honestly be a big, I think that this could be a big breakthrough in the case. I really do. I think that this is the type of information that we should be wanting to find out, not Slack messages from Ripple employees. Now, we also see, now I talked to you guys roughly about the idea of XRP moving all of the money, right? So here's the dollar going through XRP, and on the other side, we see the Chinese yen or yuan, or yuan, I mean. Now here we do see the Mexican overall cryptocurrency, or not cryptocurrency, currency in general. Pretty much every single currency around the world will flow over XRP, and you'll be able to trade it just as fast as you do see it going through here. So isn't it funny that when I say, yeah, we could go to $1, we can go to $100, we can go to $1,000, we can go to this, that. A lot of people will laugh. A lot of people will say XRP cannot go to any of these prices. But what makes them think that? What makes anybody think that XRP has a topping point or a ceiling price? There is no ceiling price for XRP. If we are moving trillions to quadrillions of dollars, every single year, every single day, whatever the case may be, how would you even put a value on that? You could not. It would need a monetary value in order for it to have a topped point in terms of what XRP could or would be traded at. Now, in regards to that, we also see here the whales are trying to get us out of the game. Hold strong and remove XRP from exchanges. And I cannot tell you guys that enough. You need to get your XRP onto cold storage. It is extremely easy to put it on a Ledger Nano or a Ledger Nano X. You guys, if you want to get one of these, do not buy it off of Amazon. Do not buy it from any third-party reseller. Buy it from Ledger themselves. There is a link down in the comments below if you do want to buy a Ledger to store your XRP safely and securely on. I'm telling you, get your XRP, get your crypto off of exchanges. These are not secure exchanges at all. Don't even say, oh, well, I hold on Coinbase. Coinbase is not secure. We see these exchanges get hacked all the time. And with XRP, I think XRP is one of the biggest targeted cryptocurrencies out there for hacks and scams and so forth. So please be vigilant. Please make sure and pay attention to anything or pretty much everything that is happening in regards to crypto exchanges, security, and all that. We also see here, September looks exciting for QNTXDC and XRP for different reasons. And I do think that September is absolutely going to be a monstrous month for crypto. Yeah, we could see a slight pullback before we do see a massive run on all of crypto, but I do think that it is absolutely going to be incredible in regards to percentages gained. And we do see that kind of bleeding right now into the overall market as we do pump back to these levels from that slight pullback. Is this the last, of these prices that we'll see? Hard to say. I do think that we'll have some more volatile price action as we do march into September. We are obviously hitting some resistance on Bitcoin, so I'm going to be watching closely on that, and I'm going to address that in a later video. We also see here, what will be the price of XRP after being the first crypto to be properly regulated in the entire world? Again, a lot of people don't realize how big of an aspect that is to actually achieve for XRP. Once we do get regulatory clarity, once we do have regulations and we are fully compliant, and when there's no more scrutinized, aspects around XRP, nobody can talk, trash on it anymore. Saying, oh, it's a scam, the SEC is suing them. Well, guess what? What are you going to do when we beat them? We have regulatory clarity. We have an IPO listing on the NASDAQ in regards to Ripple. And also we have all of our US-based clients back on board, rejoining the team. We have massive relistings on all global exchanges. What are you going to do then? You know, what will the price be? It's hard to say. $50 to $100 in my opinion, guaranteed at that point. And I don't say that a lot. I don't like to say everything's guaranteed or anything's guaranteed in crypto. But when we're talking about such a massive domino effect, the price would have to be high. It would have to be high. Now, I do just want to address one last thing in regards to a high price for XRP. We do see here Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple, has shaken hands with more CEOs globally than anyone else in this space. Prove me wrong. I mean, I'm just going to say right now, yeah, we see Gilbert Verdian from Quant. I still think that Brad Garlinghouse had more connections to these massive giants than any other CEO in the space. For an example, it takes me all the way back to this overall photo. We do see the Director of Monetary Markets, IMF. We see Chairman, Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority. We do see Chief Executive, Hong Kong Monetary Authority as well. And who do we have? We have Christine Lagarde and also Brad Garlinghouse. You seriously cannot make this up. We also see here, I think it's fair to also state that Ripple hooks smart contracts along with the synergies of Flare Networks is probably near launch to go after the quadrillion derivatives market as well. October is going to be exciting. And we do see here, who knows, maybe Square with the 29 billion Afterpay AU acquisition could indeed use Ripple XRP for line of credit to tap the frugal Gen Z market. We do see here Ripple offerings 2.2 near launch, send now, pay later line of credit. We do see those descriptions. G20 currencies and select stablecoins. Fees that is substantially lower than its cost of capital. Are you paying attention? Are you looking at what's happening behind closed doors? These are all for financial institutions. CBDC infrastructure for central banks. Private XRP ledger for using XRP as the bridge currency. Guys, are you paying attention? I'm telling you, when we go back to this all plays hand in hand with all of this. Don't listen to what these people say, trying to be fearful, stomping you out, getting you out of your bags. Oh, XRP is never going to move. It's sitting still. It's nothing. It's a garbage coin. It's a stable coin at $1.20. Blah, blah. It's all normie stuff. These people are the same people that have $1,000 worth of XRP that they bought at 80 cents and it hasn't moved to $80 and they think, well, that's it. It's over. You know, XRP is going nowhere. It's a stable coin. Look at ADA up 12.77% and XRP is up half that. Well, we're not doing anything. That's the type of people who are telling you all this FUD about XRP. Do not listen to the FUD. Do not let them control your instincts on making a massive amount of financial wealth that you, your family, and even your future family will be able to enjoy. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys don't want free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out.